Hi, Gary Bernier from the Business Growth Guys here. And today we're going to take a look at Infusionsoft and specifically inside the campaign builder, why you might use a sequence and a good reason for using a sequence inside the campaign builder. So you can see here I've got a goal that's set if a tag is applied and then two sequences. What I'm going to do is dive into this initial sequence by double clicking on it and opening it up. You'll see that it has the start, and then we go for an appointment confirmation. This means there will be an email sent right away. And then we wait at least 1 hour from the time at which that tag was applied, and we send another email. And then we wait a day, and we send another email. So this is one of the two sequences, and you can see that it's driven based upon the goal of when the tag was applied. If I open up the second one, this one has a different timing. This is wait 1 day before, and this is using a date set with inside the contact record, custom field called the measuring appointment date. And it does sends the day before confirmation email, and then 4 hours before the appointment, we send another email. So this is how you can use both timers inside one campaign. You put them in different sequences and tie them together. That's how you can use sequences in your campaign builder. If you have any questions about this or other Infusionsoft topics, please leave it in the comments below, and we'll make a video for you. Thanks for your attention, and check out businessgrowthguys.com.